Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. Today I want to talk about string literal interpolation types in an AI code editor. So I want to combine two things. First of all, I want to show you the AI code editor. It's a new kit on the block and it's very promising. So I just downloaded it and I just want to play around with it and show you a little bit of code I want to explain to you and of course further iterate upon. So again, some examples of great string interpolation. So one of the things that I have right here is a type event name, and it has t extend string, and then we can put t here and change it to changed, right? So what we could do now is have something like this, and that's just great because we can now have autocomplete, and then you see here user changed. But we want to have something like user name changed, for example, and so I changed it. And you can go along and say, hey, we have an event name, username changed, and I also see here can also redeclare block scope variable event. Event was also declared here. So ask AI to fix it. We changed it, but we still have an error. So it's really weird. But okay, like I said, it's just test. So you see that, well, here we go. We can decide which kind of model we want to use. That's interesting. I'm going to change this to this one. This is not working. Can you fix this for me? Now I'm going to apply, accept, and this is the fix. So that's great. We got a fix. So, all right, I'm going to close this again because I want to show you another example. This is the example type getter. And if I go down here, I get again great autocomplete to show you guys that I get the get username because I'm using here capitalize T, right? And capitalize, of course, is going to capitalize our string here. So we have here username. I could also just do something like this, get user, and of course here get username is not assignable to get user. So we could do something like this, get user, right? And now this is just working. These are great things for string interpolation. Yeah, so I want to show you a little bit of these kind of tricks because I think these are great to create some kind of specific types that you could use within your programming code, right? So one of the things that I could do now is, of course, I'm gonna do this, and I asked a question. So can you give more examples that are using string? So great. Now we get some more info. What we could do now is say, okay, I want to apply it. And I see here that I get some errors like cannot redeclare block scope variable username event. So you could say, okay, I want to reject it. And we could do this way. We could do this. Let's say accept, right? To get the new possible ways that we have asked. I think it's a great way to just learn new things and to oh right. So I can maybe do something like this. Can you give an extra event name that is starting with family name? So now we see here that he has added this one. So that's great, right? So we have your family name and we have your family name. So we could very easily change things, and he is just doing that what we have asked. Also, we can again add some more code, of course. It's a little bit strange. I don't know why, because yeah, type user is not there, so it's really funny, but cool. So what we could do here is indeed just do something like this. Yeah. Examples of string interpolation for setter names. So you could do something like that, setter and a getter. So again, play around with it, have some fun with it. And here we get then the setter names, setter, and then user or profile or settings. And we can again define the right setter names in there as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope you will play around with this editor cursor. You will find some more links into the description below. And yeah, have fun.